Hello, welcome to the journey through the realm of applied statistics by Pratisha Thorat. So, in today's data-driven world, understanding the principles of statistics and how they are applied in a crucial of making informed decision, drawing meaningful insight, and solving complex problem. In this video, we will explore the fundamental concepts of statistics from the vector and linear algebra to probability theory, hypothesis testing, and experiment design. Whether you are a budding statistician, a data analyst, or a simply crucial about the world of new numbers, join us as a unveil of the mysteries of applied statistics together. So let's dive into the question directly. So we are going for the question number 2. How is a vector different from a scalar? Understanding the fundamental difference lays groundwork for the comprehending vector operation and their application in various fields. While both vectors and scalar represent quantities, vector also include direction, whereas scalar only have the magnitude. So next, go for the question. What is a probability theory? The probability theory is a branch of mathematics that studies random phenomenon and the quantities uncertainly, focusing on the likelihood of events occurring within a given sample. So it's like you have a bag of different colored balls, like you have the red balls, 5 red balls, then green and yellow and black. So when you put a hand into the bag and pick any ball, the probability, like which ball is coming, what is the probability of that? That is the probability theory. Okay, so let's go for the next question. What is the p-value in a hypothesis testing? The p-value is a probability of observing a test statistic as a extreme as or a more extreme than the one observed in a sample data, assuming that the null hypothesis is true. It helps determine the strength of evidence against the null hypothesis. So next we will explain what does the confidence level represent in a confidence interval. The confidence level represents the probability that the calculated confidence interval contains the true population parameter. Commonly used confidence levels include 90%, 95% and 99%. And the next question, what is the hypothesis testing in a statistic? So hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to make inference about the population parameter based on a sample data. It involves formulating null and alternative hypotheses, collecting sample data and using statistical tests to determine whether there is enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis in a favor of alternative hypothesis. And at last, how are confidence test and hypothesis test similar? How are they different? So confidence test and hypothesis test are similar in that they both involve making inference about the population parameter based on sample data. However, they are differ in their objective and interpretations. Confidence tests aim to estimate the range within which the population parameter lies with a certain level of confidence, while hypothesis test aim to determine whether there is enough evidence of reject a null hypothesis in a favor of alternative hypothesis. And what is a geometric interpretation of the dot product? So geometrically, the dot product of two vectors represent the projection of one vector onto another vector scaled by the length of second vector. It also gives the cousin of the angle between two vectors, providing information about their orientation and similarities. So that's all about the explanation. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much Anna Better for giving me this platform to represent myself.